In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert this footage from this to this. This is a BRAW footage which I shot with a Blackmagic 6K, and I'll be showing you how to convert this in DaVinci Resolve. Once it is set to that, you can save. Mine is already set to that, so we head over to color conversion. You go to your effect library, search for color space transform. With this, we are going to transform our footage to a footage with color. Now our input color space is Blackmagic White Gamma Gen 4 and 5. Our input gamma will be Blackmagic Film Gen 5. Output color space like 709. Output gamma should be gamma 2.4, and here is our result. So guys, next week I'll be dropping an in-depth video on color grading. As a beginner, you would need that video. I'll be covering the basics of color grading in DaVinci Resolve. We will be covering a whole lot regarding color grading in DaVinci Resolve. So if you're new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new content. See you next week.